can become a that student. I know it's to be very difficult for becoming a that student, but not this much. If you will think it's a difficult, then it can be. If you will think no, it's easy for me, then it can be easy for you. Because मैं अपनी लाइफ के काफ़ी सारे डेज वेस्ट कर चुकी हूँ. Now I do not want to waste my days. Today I wake up at 3 a.m. for the studies. Firstly, I make my bed. Because by making my bed, I do not feel tired. Then I make a green tea. By this, I feel energetic and more active. Not saying you कि आप लोगों को भी 3 बजे उठना है, पढ़ाई करनी है to become a that student. No, you can choose your any time. जिस भी time आप interested हो, you can select the time. But I decided to select a 3 a.m. for the studies. मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, फिर स्कूल से आती हूँ. I get so tired, then I get to sleep for the 6 to 7 hours. By that, my all the day time got wasted. I decided at the night for the studies. And ये मेरी लाइफ का लास्ट ईयर है, so I do not want to be regret कि यार मुझे थोड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी. I can do that thing. That's why मैंने आज से ही 180 days का चैलेंज लिया है and it's a day 1 of my challenge. I will keep consistency for 180 days. See guys, आपको टू डू लिस्ट जब भी बनानी है तो आपको कंसिस्टेंसी उसकी थोड़ी सी लो रखनी है. Because mostly people I have seen they are making a long to do list, completing their goals, but they can't. In the last they get regret that we can't do it. So I will suggest you can make a short to do list for achieving, and if you have a lot of time then you make it again. By this you can get motivated. Yeah, I complete this task, complete that task. So like this guys. Firstly here I am doing physical education. And yeah, one more thing, it's a very important for you all. The boards, many people think that NCERT is not this much useful, then they use reference books. I will suggest कि इस reference book का मतलब है just wasting the time. Because NCERT is a very important, और जो भी पेपर CBSE बनाता है वो NCERT से बनाता है. So please do not waste your time for these reference books. If you have read the NCERT, then you can also try it, but not the starting ones. So here I am getting ready for my school guys. And yes guys, do not forget to apply sunscreen because sunscreen is a very important for school going girls. Here I am using the Glam Veda Ayurvedic products, and this product is very good for school going girls. And I get ready and my school is calling, and my school time is around 7:30 a.m. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.